I thoroughly enjoyed preparing everything for her that I actually forgot about my own son. I was only thinking of how to make my son happy by keeping his life partner happy. It's been an amazing journey since I met her a year back, and today when she has become my friend more than a daughter-in-law.
Oh, lovely girl, and she's my beti. So we have two sons. Now we have a daughter also. A lovely person and charming, I would say. And we also learned, we also got to know her versatility in the field of music and singing. Very nice. I love her as my daughter.
I fell in love with Seema at the first sight, and I decided that she should be my girl. And God helped me in that. And I managed to actually bring her as my daughter. So I feel at the age of 52, I've become a mother again. That's an amazing feeling.
Our story started in Hyderabad, where Seema was working with me at ITC Kohinoor. So I had a very bossy thing, and I said, please kindly do this and deliver it to the room. So that was our first interaction where we didn't know our names.
Zohaib and I were working at the same hotel, ITC, and that's where we met. He was taking my orientation program, and I kept asking and bugging him with silly questions. So that's where we met, and after that we met on his birthday. So his birthday is like a very integral part of our story. That was the first time we actually met, and I celebrated his birthday in Hyderabad for him.
June is my birthday month, 9th of June, so I was given 2 days of off. So I had actually nothing to do. So I was shopping in one of the supermarts there in my pajamas and in my chappals, and I was thinking कि मैं अपने birthday के लिए खुद क्या करूं. So I get this call from our very dear friend Sabirul Islam. We call him Sabi. So he called me up and said, भाई क्या कर रहा है? मेरा भी off है, आज chill करते हैं. So I was thinking कि should I go or shouldn't I go, because I was very lazy and very sleepy that day. But by God's grace, I made a great decision by going there and especially changing my clothes. And we met at this place, Mama Goto in Hyderabad, so near her place. So I was expecting Sabi se milenge, and Sabi had told me, हाँ दोस्त हैं, दोस्त हैं. So I was expecting at least 2-3 friends. And I walk into the restaurant and I see Sabi sitting with Seema. So my eyes gleamed up, wow, भाई ये तो सही है. Sabi बैठे हैं सीमा के साथ, and then I didn't know her name. I just know, हाँ, I have seen her somewhere. I think कोई तो interaction हुआ है. So that's where we actually met.
Like, it was the classic example of when you least are looking for love, you find it then. So we weren't looking for anything, but we found each other, and I'm glad we found each other. He brings the crazy into my life. I'm a very serious person, and Zohaib just lightens up everything. So I love his madness, I love Zohaib's madness and craziness. And I was a very serious person, but now I enjoy life more with him around.
I would like to just share one very emotional scene. Generally, my husband being in the army is a very strict person, and you actually do not see the softer side of his personality. And father to 2 sons, I've never seen him very emotional ever. And they say that a girl's father becomes very emotional at the time of the nikah. The first time I saw tears in my husband's eye, being a boy's father, and the first time that he held Seema, I felt that actually he has become not father-in-law, father to Seema. I've never seen him so soft and emotional. This is what a girl, a daughter, how I saw the change in my husband and not in my son. So that is a real emotional and an amazing journey. Seeing tears in my colonel's eyes, it was the best thing possible. I felt today he was also reborn as a father of a daughter. Great feeling.
Certainly, talking of getting emotional during the wedding or maybe prior or post, yes, like I said, we have sons. So a daughter joining our family, yes, for a moment, yes, I did feel emotional, and I had hugged her. So yes, that was a moment of joy also. That's why I felt very strongly about it. Self and my wife, we would wish them a long and a happy married life, and we would always be with them, we'll support them, we'll motivate them to achieve their happiness as well as whatever they wish to achieve and become. We wish them all the best.
धड़कनों की ताल बाजे सांसों का एक तारा, आंगन में सजाए बैठे सूरज चंदा तारा। धड़कनों की ताल बाजे सांसों का एक तारा, आंगन में सजाए बैठे सूरज चंदा तारा। चलो बांट ले हम जिंदगी जरा आज यूं कर ले, कहो क्या ख्याल है।
जहाँ छोटा सा अपना एक जहाँ तुम्हारा, मुस्कान चाहे मीठी हो या आंसू एक खारा। चलो बांट ले गम और खुशी, थोड़ी गुफ्तगू कर ले, कहो क्या ख्याल।
आपसे बात करने, यादों को जेबों में करने आए हैं हम कुछ दिनों के बाद। यारों की सोहबत में आके धीरे से कुछ गुनगुना के यूं ही कट जाते हैं दिन और रात।
मुट्ठी में तुम भी चलाना सावन हरा,
एक धनक तुम भी तोड़ लाना फलक से जरा।
अट्टी बट्टी बांट लेंगे किरणों का कतरा।
एक सिक्का धूप हमसे लेना गर हम लगा।
बेतुक ही बेमतलब हंस ले हम, क्यों ना इस लम्हे में हाँ जी ले हम।
चलो बांट ले हम जिंदगी जरा आज यूं कर ले, कहो क्या ख्याल है। धड़कनों की ताल बाजे सांसों का एक तारा,
क्या ख्याल है।
से बातें करने यादों को जेबों में भरने आए हैं हम कुछ दिनों के बाद। यारों की सोहबत में आके धीरे से कुछ गुनगुना के यूं ही कट जाते हैं दिन और रात।
शब के तू आज मेहरबान, मैं तकू
मिला हूँ अब जो तुमसे, है दिल को मेरे कसम से सुकून मिला, सुकून मिला। तुझे है पाया रब से, है दिल को मेरे कसम से सुकून मिला, सुकून मिला। हर पल हंसी सा हुआ है, सांसों को तूने छुआ है, बड़ी तुझसे नजदीकियां सुकून मिला, सुकून मिला। मिला हूँ अब जो तुमसे, है दिल को मेरे कसम से सुकून मिला, सुकून मिला।
At the age of 52, I became a mother of a daughter.
जब से जुड़ा तुझसे जिया, चैनो करार दिल को मिला। जब से जुड़ा तुझसे जिया, चैनो करार दिल को मिला। जब भी रहूं संग तेरे, भूलूं हर गम शिकवा गिला। तेरे इश्क का ही नशा है, मेरी रूह तक में बसा है। तूने आँखों से जो छुआ, सुकून मिला, सुकून मिला। मिला हूँ अब जो तुमसे, है दिल को मेरे कसम से सुकून मिला, सुकून मिला।
सोचूं तुझे तो है सुबह, सोचूं तुझे तो शाम है। सोचूं तुझे तो है सुबह,
ख्वाहिश में रहूं क्यों आज मैं, तू मेरी बाहों में सिमटी है, मुझ में समाई है यूं, जिस तरह कि कोई हो नदी, तू मेरे सीने में छुपती है, सागर तुम्हारा मैं हूँ।
हाँ तेरे आग में ही जल के, कोयले से हीरा बनके, ख्वाबों से आगे चल के है तुझे बताना, तेरे वास्ते मेरा इश्क सूफियाना, मेरा इश्क सूफियाना, मेरा इश्क सूफियाना,
ओ तेरे
वास्ते मेरा इश्क सूफियाना, मेरा इश्क सूफियाना, मेरा इश्क सूफियाना।
रब की कवाली है इश्क कोई, दिल की दिवाली है इश्क कोई, महकी सी प्याली है इश्क कोई, सुबह की लाली है इश्क। रब की कवाली है इश्क कोई, दिल की दिवाली है इश्क कोई, महकी सी प्याली है इश्क कोई, सुबह की लाली है इश्क।